People's Club of Nigeria International. People's Club International. Washington DC.
highlifeng.com.
People's Club Odogu. Imakabasi Kwado. Nafa Kwado Lofuma. Webola Kasakasi. People's Club Odogu. People's Club Washington DC. We Washington DC. Washington DC, we see Miri. Easy Miri at that town and wow. Chief, Honorable Barrister Maximus Onuoha. Was one Mendy when Washington DC. Was one man when in there. I couldn't know one of my eyes on this.
On Wednesday, 31st of December 2025. Nemerempam in Ayazumbise, Imo State, received important visitors and dignitaries from near and far, mostly People's Club of Nigeria International members, as well as friends and well-wishers in honor of Chief Honorable Maximus Onuoha Ozuome Akurulo I of Mpam, at the occasion of his installation as a patron of People's Club of Nigeria International, giving his outstanding contributions and dedicated service to the club. Of course, his brilliant, beautiful children and elegant wife, Lolo Barrister Anayo Onuoha, accompanied him from the United States for the well-deserved honor. The day started with a Thanksgiving Mass at St. Boniface Catholic Church in Nemerempam, celebrated by Reverend Fathers Callistus Nwachukwu and Dr. Canis Enyaka Chinyaka, followed by reception in his country home, where the real ceremony took place. Given his status and outstanding contributions to the club, the event had the who is who in the People's Club of Nigeria International, from the top echelon to the bottom. Special guests, kids and kings, relatives, friends and well-wishers from near and far, but mostly people from the diaspora, especially from the United States. Barrister F.O. Onyebuoke Aheja Gamba, the National Cum International President of the People's Club of Nigeria International, PCNI for short, was ably present, as well as the club's national officials and high-powered delegation of national patrons and notable members. Other notable personalities at the event include the community stakeholders from Nemerempam and the neighboring communities. Talk of the traditional rulers, His Royal Majesty Eze Remigius Ihejene Igwe Ihoma II, Emere I of Nemerempam, His Royal Majesty Eze Leonard Obata Igwe Onugotu II of Mpam, His Royal Majesty Eze Okuduru Divine Wando Igwe Akaraka III of Itafuku. Other prominent personalities from the community and outside the community and MBC in general talk of the political class, business class, the academia, and of course the intelligentsia. The home and diaspora family and friends of Chief Mas showed up in volume to celebrate with him. From the records and manuscripts, Chief Honorable Maximus Onuoha joined the prestigious People's Club of Nigeria International in 1998. He became the Assistant Public Relations Officer of the club from 1998 to the year 2000, Secretary of PCNI DC from 2000 to 2003, Sponsoring Secretary PCNI Philadelphia 2002 to 2003, First Vice Chairman PCNI DC from 2003 to 2007, Chairman Legal and Litigation Committee PCNI DC 2007 to 2011, Branch Chairman of PCNI DC 2017 to 2022, Sponsoring Chairman PCNI Nova Alexandra Branch 2019, Co-Secretary PCNI Diaspora Peace Committee 2019, Committee Member PCNI Diaspora Coordinating 2021, Assistant National Legal Advisor PCNI 2022 to 2025, Committee Member PCNI Strategic and Planning Committee 2023, Special National Officer conferred by the Honorable President Barrister Fidelis Onyebuoke 2023 till present. Patron-elect PCNI 2024. To this moment, Chief Max remains a special national officer to the club, and he has vowed to continue his legacy of service to the club with commitment, passion, and dedication, especially when it comes to defending and upholding the values and integrity of the club. It goes without saying that his installation as a patron of the club is only an icing on the cake, given his coveted positions and remarkable journey in the club. Beyond or beside his exploits and deserving accolades for his outstanding service and unwavering commitment to the growth of the club, evident in the quality of attendance, the avalanche of tributes from fellow club members, relatives, friends, and well-wishers, all speak volume about the character and personality of a man like Chief Honorable Dr. Barrister Maximus Onuoha, Max Onuoha for short, Ozuome Akurulo Nkembo of Nemerempa. The event started with meet and greet, introduction of PCNI members and special guests, procession sitting of delegates, opening prayer, the national anthem Nigeria, USA, and PCN respectively, presentation of kola nuts, greetings and opening remarks by the PCNI National President, Barrister Fidelis Onyebueke Aheja Gamba. Thereafter, the patron installation ceremony and other corollary procedures amid item 7 or refreshment took place. Music was masterfully and enjoyably provided by Oliver Nayoka and his band. It was a rich, colorful, gorgeous and prestigious occasion, typical of a club like People's Club of Nigeria International.
I went again, Madam Patron. Honorable Chief Mrs. Nkechi Iroku, Slim Fits, Omeribo 1, Ezinwanne Nwokwa, Celestine of Ache, First Woman Chairman, People's Club of Nigeria International Worldwide, Former Chairman Emeritus, People's Club of Nigeria International, Cherry Hill Branch, New Jersey, Onyomani Dima.